Responding to growing public complaints over taxi drivers allegedly operating under the influence of alcohol, the Synjuk Nongniah taxi Kamai Sorbat Khapsor on Monday conducted a surprise checking drive at Wah-heh, Nongmensong, Shillong. The enforcement exercise was carried out jointly with personnel from Rinja police station. During the inspection, several commercial taxi drivers were reportedly found to be in an intoxicated condition while on duty. Speaking to the media, General Secretary Denzil Nongniah said the union had been receiving repeated complaints from commuters that some taxi drivers were consuming alcohol during daytime hours, posing a serious risk to passenger safety. He added that the Synjuk would continue such checking drives in the coming days as part of its sustained efforts to curb unsafe practices and ensure safer travel for the public.
Berjerong sepelat lain. Put and pula berjerong tu. Put ni bentar put. Stop. Zero. Mas. Now it's coming 89.
There's something wrong with the machine, sir.
Okay.
Now I'm in the job, I did drink, sir.
Okay, off karo to isko. Off karo this.
Nomor. Kani ka checking pangile kansan kalong surprise patas ni kadai ba. Ladang ka jing ijon na kalian ki ba ki syong kali. Nakapos. Yang iong banje ka pang issue sam ni yang tang ni wat so na ka jing dip wala so na kalian na ko ka. Sepatun punung ni ke ka ni ka ak ko kalian na kalian ba. Dulu ki jing ram yo. Ni ayo i tas ni ka sakit. Coba itra kalong ba ipe ha to lesu kebun ka zero after play tu kinong di nong bam kila kham share kila kya ngangit scam ro ada kalong ni ko research long atra kinong di nong ma khamtam ki banyak kali umur kali kawan ki passengers ko syong kita ki kila bande ki bahi ngasam jo pi jong a jong no ru misuk man sim ni shnga ni lat nya kado ro ko masau te ba ko wei ru ma chue berak sna ka ni ko no kani kan long alert ya barok tak ni wah ya borok ini yang akan kalong si Kamai ni lah kalong turis ni what ya ki private tu nama kita nak apa support kita dan kita ni bersih ki ya kita tip apa kita ni nama bakari kali sih ki kita mana ada moment dan regni ke syong ka bod you beri pe ka ni kam nama dan ni ngai scam barang ni kali tak ka jing sedang jangan ni ke cek ni nama kan sabun nang ni syafar tam apa dia berkini kena kita di drugs mentah nama kanir kalau kami uji bersih tentang kalau bersih kalau bersih kalau bersih ni sim syai ni sih kata ya ini keyboard komentar dengan try kini tak siap sampai tapi juga bah kalau nanti bunyo ini cukup sebab dulu ni yo kita kilat general dulu ni kita yang mungkin kita meeting oke tak kita bikin cakap